In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is Service Cloud. Service Cloud is Salesforce's customer support platform, a central place where your team can handle questions, track issues, and deliver consistent help across email, chat, phone, and more. Think of it as a smart workspace that brings customer history, tools, and automation together, so agents can resolve problems faster, and managers can see what's happening in real time. First, log in to your Service Cloud account. Head to the official Salesforce Service Cloud page and sign in with your standard Salesforce credentials. If you have multiple environments, make sure you're in the correct org for your team. It's a good idea to bookmark the console view you'll use most and check that your user profile has access to cases, knowledge, and any apps your team relies on. Once you're in, click Get Started. This guided area gives you an overview of how Service Cloud works. You'll see how the console organizes customer records, cases, and related tools into one screen so you're not jumping between tabs. The goal here is simple: centralize work, standardize processes, and give agents everything they need at their fingertips. Next, choose Track and Respond to Customer Issues. This centers on cases, the core record for customer problems or requests. You can capture cases from email, web forms, chat, and social, then view the conversation, status, and priority in one place. Use case fields and layouts to collect the right details, and lean on macros or quick text to respond consistently while saving time. Then, explore View Your Most Important Work. This highlights how list views, queues, and the console's workspaces help you focus. Agents can filter by priority, or SLA, pin key lists, and use split views to glide through cases. Supervisors can monitor queues and dashboards to rebalance workloads and ensure nothing urgent slips through. Select Answer Customers with Articles. This showcases Salesforce Knowledge, your searchable library of help content. Agents can find and attach relevant articles to cases, and customers can self-serve when articles are exposed on a help center. Keep articles short, clear, and tagged with the right topics. Regularly review feedback and update content to keep accuracy high. Find helpful shortcuts in the utility bar. This toolbar at the bottom of the console puts quick tools like Notes, History, Omni-Channel, Macros, and a soft phone within one click. Use it to capture details without leaving a case, switch channels smoothly, and keep your workflow moving. Finally, go to Automatically Assign Cases to your team. Assignment rules and queues route new cases to the right people based on criteria like product, region, or priority. This reduces manual triage, speeds up first response, and supports fair workload distribution. Test your rules with sample cases, confirm ownership updates correctly, and you're set. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.